How to become a cryptocurrency expert in 30 days. Cryptocurrencies have taken the financial world by storm, offering opportunities for both investment and technological innovation. If you're a beginner eager to dive into the world of cryptocurrencies and become an expert in just 30 days, this guide is tailored to help you get started. While becoming a true expert might take more time, this guide will provide you with a solid foundation to understand and navigate the cryptocurrency landscape. Day 1 to 5, Understanding the Basics. 1. What is cryptocurrency? Begin with the fundamentals. Learn what cryptocurrencies are, how they work, and why they're important. 2. Blockchain technology. Cryptocurrencies are built on blockchain technology. 2. Study the concept of a blockchain, its decentralized nature, and how it ensures security. 3. Popular cryptocurrencies. Get acquainted with prominent cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. 3. Understand their purposes and differences. 4. Wallets. Learn about cryptocurrency wallets, which are essential for storing, sending, and receiving digital assets securely. 5. Exchanges. Explore cryptocurrency exchanges, platforms where you can buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. Day 6 to 10, Deepening your knowledge. 1. Altcoins. Discover alternative cryptocurrencies to Bitcoin, known as altcoins. 1. Research their unique features and use cases. 2. Market analysis. Delve into fundamental and technical analysis to understand how to evaluate the value and potential of different cryptocurrencies. 3. Security practices. Focus on security measures, including two-factor authentication, cold wallets, and avoiding common scams. 4. Smart contracts. Learn about smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code, using platforms like Ethereum. 5. Regulations. Understand the regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies in your country and internationally. Day 11 to 20, Building practical skills. 1. Setting up, open accounts on exchanges, set up wallets, and make small transactions to get hands-on experience. 2. Diversification. Learn about the importance of diversifying your cryptocurrency portfolio to manage risk. 3. News and trends. Stay updated on the latest news and trends in the cryptocurrency space through reputable sources. 4. Mining and staking. Explore concepts of cryptocurrency mining and staking, two methods of earning passive income. 5. Social media and communities. Engage with online cryptocurrency communities to learn from others and share your experiences. Day 21 to 30, Becoming proficient. 1. In-depth projects. Choose a specific cryptocurrency or project that interests you and research it extensively. 2. White papers. Read the white papers of cryptocurrencies to understand their technology, goals, and mechanics. 3. Trading strategies. If interested in trading, learn about different strategies and practice with a demo account. 4. Coding and development. For those inclined, explore coding for blockchain and creating your cryptocurrency. 5. Continuous learning. Cryptocurrency is a rapidly evolving field. Commit to ongoing learning and adaptability. In-depth projects. Now that you have a solid understanding of the basics, choose a specific cryptocurrency or blockchain project that piques your interest. Dive deep into its technology, use cases, team, and community. Consider exploring projects beyond the mainstream ones. There are many innovative ideas being developed in the cryptocurrency space. White papers. One of the best ways to understand a cryptocurrency project is by reading its white paper. A white paper is a technical document that outlines the project's goals, architecture, mechanics, and potential challenges. Reading and comprehending white papers can provide you with a comprehensive view of a project's underlying technology and vision. Trading strategies. If you're intrigued by the idea of trading cryptocurrencies, now is the time to learn about different trading strategies. These strategies range from day trading to swing trading, each with its own risk-reward profile. Consider using a demo trading account to practice without risking real money. Keep in mind that trading requires careful analysis, emotional discipline, and risk management. Coding and development. For those with a technical inclination, exploring coding for blockchain and cryptocurrency development can be a rewarding path. You can learn programming languages like Solidity, for Ethereum smart contracts, or languages specific to certain blockchain platforms. Developing your own cryptocurrency or blockchain-based application can provide you with a deep understanding of the technology and its intricacies. Continuous learning. The cryptocurrency landscape evolves rapidly. New projects, technologies, and market trends emerge regularly. Commit to continuous learning by following reputable blogs, podcasts, forums, and news sources. Engage with the broader community to stay updated on the latest developments and insights. Consider attending blockchain and cryptocurrency conferences or meetups to connect with experts and enthusiasts. In conclusion, congratulations! Over the past 30 days, you've made remarkable progress in your journey to becoming a cryptocurrency expert. You've transitioned from a beginner with basic knowledge to someone with a deeper understanding of cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, trading strategies, and even coding. However, it's important to acknowledge that true expertise requires ongoing dedication and immersion in the field. The cryptocurrency space is dynamic and ever-changing, so staying up to date with the latest trends, technologies, and regulatory changes is essential. As you continue your journey, remember that expertise is built not only on knowledge but also on experience. Consider exploring more advanced topics such as decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and the integration of blockchain in various industries like supply chain management, healthcare, and more. How can staying informed about regulatory developments impact your decisions and activities in the cryptocurrency space? Share your thoughts, ideas, and questions in the comments below. For more information on Bitcoin and all things cryptocurrency, please click the link in the description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. Happy investing! Thanks for watching.